Welcome to Finance Investor Lab. The government says you're middle class at 31K, but 140K is the new broke. Stick around, I'll show you the real numbers and 3 moves to beat the system in under 5 minutes. A blog just went viral, 140K is the new poor. I ran the MIT living wage data, not opinion. If your rent is 2K, health insurance 1.8K, childcare 12K, 31K is survival, not success. 1960s versus 2025, live data. 1960s, food, $33% of budget, multiplier 3. 2025, food, 6%, multiplier 16, 24K rent, 3, 72K poverty line, national median is 80K, math, emotion. Government trap, live data. Government froze the 1960s formula. Never updated housing, healthcare, childcare. Political poison, updating would double welfare costs. They measure survival, not success. Solution, 3 moves, live data. Move 1, automate 15% into index funds, beats 150K non-investor. Move 2, use Gemini card, 4% back on gas, free BTC. Move 3, never sell, compounding income. Comment beat if you auto-invest 15%. I'll randomly fund 1 SIP. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one.